Fight over gun control continues across Virginia tonight as more counties consider adopting a Second Amendment sanctuary. Thank you for staying with us at 6. I'm David Allen.
And I'm Janet Roach. Gun control advocates say any sort of gun control will violate their Second Amendment right. But is that actually true? Here's Jacqueline Lee.
Save our rights! With the push for Second Amendment sanctuaries rippling throughout the Commonwealth.
Give me liberty or give me death.
Gun advocates argue gun control laws will infringe on their Second Amendment right.
To bear arms is a civil right because self-defense is a human right.
But Brad Jacob, an associate professor of law at Regent University, says it may be possible for Virginia to restrict certain types of guns, like semi-automatic weapons, simply because the Supreme Court hasn't ruled on gun restrictions.
Courts will, in time, I think, give us a tighter definition of what's covered by the Second Amendment, what weapons could be banned without violating the Second Amendment.
For the first time, Attorney General Mark Herring is speaking out against Second Amendment sanctuaries, saying they don't have any legal power.
It's the gun lobby trying to scare people, and when the General Assembly passes these laws, they will be enforced and they will be followed.
But gun proponents have raised concern over Senate Bill 16, which would prohibit the possession of assault firearms. Examples include semi-automatic center fire rifles or a semi-automatic shotgun. To be clear, nothing will happen with that bill until it's discussed during next year's General Assembly session.
I think there'll be a lot more information that comes out during the legislative process and that folks will understand that this is what they've been asking for.
Jacqueline Lee, 13 News Now.
Well, city councils across the area are preparing for extra people because of the sanctuary debate. On December 10th, Chesapeake's council will consider passing a resolution to deem it a sanctuary city. Seating is already being prepared for a larger crowd. There will be a public hearing on the issue Tuesday night. And yesterday on 13newsnow.com/vote, we asked you if your city or county should be a Second Amendment sanctuary. 333 of you voted. 231 people, or about 69%, say yes. 101 said no. And just one person says they are still undecided.